everyone, welcome to the Makeup Diaries. Alright, so this is our Diwali Vlog 3. So Diwalog 3. So this is a third makeup look for Diwali. मेरे Facebook group The Makeup Diaries पे जिन लोगों ने भी I actually had given two options. One was like yellow and gold makeup. The other one was navy blue and silver makeup. But actually most of the people wanted pink and golden makeup. Though I've already done an Ashtami look, जो Ashtami look किया था मैंने, that was almost pink and gold, but still pink and golden won the most votes. So this is the video all about pink and golden, Diwali festive look. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so what we are doing today is, first of all, I am not able to sleep well. I have these bad dark circles, so I'm using this LA Pro Concealer, but before that I need a primer. I've already cleansed my face, toned my face, moisturized my face, so it is the time for the primer. And the primer today I'm using is this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. It is for those people which have oily skin and have visible pores. अगर आपके pores बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, open pores हैं और oily skin है, then this is a very good affordable primer, around 800 something. ये थोड़ा silicone based primer होता है जो actually आपके pores भर देता है. You just have to apply and fill your pores with this. So I have some open pores. मेरे थोड़े open pores हैं मेरे nose के पास. I'll just apply, some on my eyelids too, under my eyes, so I'm done. It's time for the corrector. The corrector that I'm using is this LA Girl Peach Corrector. करेक्टर यूज करने के क्या फायदे होते हैं? करेक्टर से आपकी स्किन पे कलर करेक्शन हो जाता है. जो आपका पिगमेंटेशन है, इट एक्चुअली न्यूट्रलाइजेज इट. सो लेट्स जस्ट ब्लेंड द कलर करेक्टर. मैंने माउथ के आसपास भी थोड़ा कलर द करेक्टर लगाया है, बिकॉज जनरली इंडियन गर्ल्स के माउथ के आसपास थोड़ा डार्कन या डार्क एरिया जरूर होता है. So it has neutralized my dark circles a bit. It is time for the foundation. The foundation that I'm using today is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation with the shade 230. Now this is a foundation that goes from normal to oily skin, and it is a very good foundation, and it is a matte foundation. That is very important. So just taking it in my hand and apply with bouncing motions. It gives quite good coverage. Face पे काफी अच्छी coverage देता है ये foundation, and is one of my favorites and affordable too. Let's do a neck too. My ears. मैं अपने लिप्स पे भी थोड़ा सा फाउंडेशन लगा रही हूँ, just because I would want my lipstick to stay matte as well. So I'm just done with the base. Now it is the time for the brightening concealer. We'll do proper contouring, proper highlighting on the face today. So let's first of all use this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and this is in the shade medium. I've done a review, मैंने इस product का review किया है already अपने channel पे. If you've not seen it, please go and check the video right now or after this video. So I've just created some triangles. The cupid bow. Alright, your nose below your contour and your eyebrow bone. So I'll just let it set for some time. Till that time, let's do the eye makeup. And for the eye makeup, what we are doing today is using this Maybelline Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. It has a very soft golden, glittery eyeshadow, and I really love this eyeshadow, so I'm using this. So right, what we are doing is, let's take the gold eyeshadow and apply on the complete lid. पूरे lid पे eyeshadow लगाएंगे, लेकिन जो ये hollow होता है आपकी eyebrow bone को और आपकी eyes को जो separate करता है, इस area को थोड़ा सा नीचे ये eyeshadow लगाएंगे. So we'll apply on the inner corners और एक V shape में भी eyes के हम same eyeshadow लगाएंगे. So it is that bright golden नजर आ रहा है. After that we'll take this coppery or brown shade. We'll mix these two shades and apply in the crease. Once this is done, I'll take this sparkly pink eyeshadow and apply, on the, you can say 1/3 outer corner of my eyes. Just to get, the hint of pink on the eyes. So we'll do it on the other eye as well. I'll just apply a bit more on this side. And I'll take the golden eyeshadow again. और जहाँ जहाँ मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा हट गया है, I'll apply it again. Alright. So it is time now to set your concealer. Just use very soft hands, बहुत soft hands use करने हैं हमें. और उसी जगह पर आपको जो आपका स्पॉन्ज है वो बाउंस करना है. You don't have to move your the product. हमें product move नहीं करना है अपनी जगह से. And now it is the time to set your concealer. I'm using this LA Girl Pro powder and this is in the shade yellow. येलो से क्या होता है, आपका फेस जो है वो काफी ब्राइटन करता है. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस सेम स्पॉन्ज. थोड़ा ज़्यादा पाउडर लगा रही हूँ बिकॉज इससे क्या होगा, मेरे जो अंडर आइज हैं वो बिल्कुल ब्राइटन कर जाएंगे एंड विल मेक द एरिया क्रीसलेस. क्रीस नहीं होगा कंसीलर मेरा. सो राइट, वी डन विद दिस. अभी मेरा फेस बहुत पाउडरी लग रहा है. आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट ये जो पाउडर इफेक्ट है वो थोड़ा खत्म हो जाए. बट वील मैनेज इट एट द एंड. नाउ आफ्टर डूइंग दिस इट इज द टाइम फॉर कॉन्टूरिंग. हमें फेस कॉन्टूर करना है. अगर आप देखो तो ऑलरेडी पाउडर से ना वो लाइन्स बन गई हैं जहाँ हमें कॉन्टूरिंग करनी है. दो वील डू द कॉन्टूरिंग. नाउ वी आर यूजिंग दिस फ्रीडम प्रो कॉन्टूर किट. इसमें दो शेड्स होते हैं, एक थोड़ा सा डार्क ब्राउन है और एक थोड़ा सा लाइट ब्राउन है. व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम मिक्सिंग बोथ ऑफ देम. एंड जो आपके ईयर्स की कॉर्नर्स हैं यहां से हमें यहां तक इसे लेके आना है और इसे हम ऊपर की तरफ ब्लेंड करते हैं जस्ट टू लिफ्ट योर यू कैन से योर चीक बोन्स. Making this pout face. Alright, so just on your forehead थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि आपका जो पूरा फेस है वो एक ही कलर का नहीं होता है. So that is the reason we are doing the contouring. Below your lips because you want to make your lips appear a bit fuller. Let's contour the nose. अभी हम इसको ऐसे रहने देंगे. लेट इट सेट फॉर सम टाइम and then let's apply the kajal. I'm using this Lotus Eco Stay kajal. I cannot go to any other kajal. I know I'm looking a bit weird at the moment, but it will set down. It will just be normalized. So let's apply some kajal now. Alright, so the kajal is done. What I'm doing is I'm using the same kajal to apply as a liner for me. Right, so this, look at the difference between this eye and this eye. Kajal से actually or using a liner, it actually accentuates your eyes. आपके eye का look बहुत बढ़िया हो जाता है. I think I'm just over this kajal. So just use a pencil or a pencil brush to apply the kajal. I've just broken down this kajal now. So alright, we are done with this liner, and now it is the time to apply a mascara. No, I think we should apply, or we should blend our kajal, which I have applied on the bottom lashes. जो bottom lashes में हमने काजल अप्लाई किया है उसे थोड़ा सा blend करते हैं to give that smoky look. So जो copper और brown आई shadows हमने mix किए थे अपनी crease line के लिए, वही आई shadows हम नीचे लगाएंगे. So now it is the time for a mascara, and mascara I'm using this Oriflame the One mascara. This is my favorite mascara. And now on your bottom lashes too. I apply actually 2 to 3 coats of mascara until unless my lashes start looking like falsies. False lashes का look आ जाना चाहिए ताकि मुझे false lashes लगाने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े. And this is a mascara that actually does that to my lashes. Alright, so we are done with the mascara. Now let's blend all your contouring. हम same sponge use कर रहे हैं so that we blend it properly. I'll just use my fingers to blend it properly. I'll just let it rest for some time. Till that time I'll just do my eyebrows. I just forgot to do my eyebrows. I'm using the same product that I use every time, which is this Maybelline Fashion Pro. I just can't get over with this product. मुझे ये product इतना पसंद है for my eyebrows. एक तो ये बहुत आसान है यूज़ करने में. It is not that expensive. So we're just done with the brows. हमारी eyebrows done हो गए हैं एकदम. And now it is the time for the lipstick. Oh, I'm just left with the blusher too. So let's apply a blush, and the blusher that I want to apply, I believe is, let's apply which blusher? Or let's apply this Ultra Blush Palette by Makeup Revolution, and let's apply this pink shade which goes with my attire too on the apples of my cheek. That is done. I'll just apply some of, I'll just dab it with my sponge. थोड़ा सा इसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए. Now it is the time for a highlighter. I'll use this Freedom Highlighter Pro Highlight called Glow. This has this golden, highlight. So I'll just apply. Apply on the eyebrow bones, your nose, your chin. And what I'll do is I'll take a pencil brush और जो inner corners हैं हमारे eyebrow, eyes के, उसमें भी मैं ये highlighter ज़रूर लगाऊंगी. Alright, so just on the tip of my nose again, Cupid's bow. And now it is time for a lipstick, and the lipstick that I'm using is my favorite Sugar Cosmetics lipstick, and the shade is called Mary Poppins, right? Mary Poppins. This is my favorite pink color. So I'm using ये क्योंकि pencil lipstick है तो मैं सिर्फ straight away directly इसे use कर रही हूँ instead of taking out a lip brush or something like that. So this lipstick is all done. Now it is time for some bindi. I think we should have a bindi here so that it gives that look. Or let's do one thing. If I can't find a bindi right now, so I don't think I'm carrying a bindi today. So let's apply this bindi using this same you can say lipstick. And I think थोड़ा सा बिंदी बड़ा हो गया है हमारा. And this is your complete look, the pink golden look, and the star of the show I think is this lipstick. So that is all. So that is a complete look. Tell me how you like it. Hit that like button. थोड़ा कंजूसी मत दिखाइए, like कर दीजिए अगर आपको वीडियो थोड़ा पसंद आता है तो. Also, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, and join my Facebook group. All the details of all the products would be mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you like it, and take care and have a good night. Alright, take care. Bye bye.